Early morning, well, not that early, 8 a.m. here, California time. And I just wanted to show you guys the finished table here. Well, I didn't spray the matte or the clear coat on it yet. It's not going to really change much of it. But I want to catch this before it gets too bright out here. So take a look at that. You can see where any of the damage was. I can't really. I mean, I know where it was, so that will help me find it. There was, this big, where was it? This big, not this, but this big crack right here. And it looks like I could even do a little more touch up in there. Just a tiny bit, you see. But, yeah. I'll usually, double check things like that. So here too, it looks like it could use a little more sanding right here. It's kind of rough, and just and sometimes you could even fill this with that wax filler and then touch it up too. But yeah, super happy with how it came out, considering how damaged it was. Right? Don't even have coffee in me yet, and I'm doing this. The edge here was all worn down. And then later today, because I didn't get around to it last night, because it's too cold in the morning right now, I'd rather wait till it warms up a bit. Later today, I'm going to do the touch up on this, and I might even show you guys how I fill, like this groove that's in here, right? Do some filling. Touch that stuff up. Prepare that boo-boo. Oh. So that's Music Therapy Laz here on a wonderful Wednesday morning. It's going to be the live wires. Peace, friendship, family. Family needs a little work. Got lots of love going on. Love that. Harmony's a bit in the shade and a little bit behind schedule here on the blooming. But she's working on it, and we got Wisdom finally blooming. Alright, man. Music Therapy Laz out. Maybe I can consider this one of my VEDAs that I missed. Yeah, let's call this VEDA number 11 that I missed. Alright, rock on, you guys.